Life Foundrytile project aims to demonstrate technical, economic and environmental feasibility of the valorization of iron foundry sands and dust in the ceramic tile production process. This project seeks contributing to the implementation of circular economy policies pursued by the European Union. It follows the objectives and goals of the Roadmap to a Resource-Efficient Europe. This project intends to combat the current environmental problem on the management of iron foundry sands and dust, coming from both green and chemically bonded sand moulding. These foundry wastes amount for more than 4 million tonnes per year for the top 5 European producers: Germany, France, Turkey, Italy and Spain. While in Spain, generation of iron foundry sands and dust is higher than 300,000 tonnes per year. The foundry industry have made big efforts to recover the maximum amount of these byproducts, and some recovery alternatives are currently being applied. But the real situation is that more than 50% of these byproducts are actually landfilled. Life Foundrytile is based on the opportunity arising from the mineralogical composition of foundry byproducts, which match different raw materials used in the ceramic tile production. In particular, iron foundry dust can replace red clays in wall and floor red tile products and sands in porcelain and white wall tile products. Given the large production of ceramic tiles in Europe, with a substitution rate of 5% of the raw materials by foundry byproducts, tile production can absorb the entire Spanish foundry byproduct generation and 75% of the European generation. This way, the ceramic tile industry could save 35 million tonnes of virgin raw materials. The new applications will result in the following benefits: preservation of natural resources, increase of foundry waste recovery, environmental footprint reduction, and increase in competitiveness of companies from foundry and ceramic sectors. Detailed selection, analysis, and characterization of foundry sands and dust will be the first action undertaken within the project development. In addition, requirements for different types of ceramic materials will be determined. At this stage, in order to maximise the share of byproduct substitution, sand and dust pre-treatments will be evaluated at laboratory scale. Finally, the share of sands and dust, or a mixture of both, that can be introduced in different types of ceramic tiles will be analysed in the laboratory, maintaining quality of the final product. Industrial scale tests will be carried out in order to assess the technical viability of the selected applications at pre-industrial scale. This task will take place in a ceramic wall and floor tile plant based in the province of Castellón, core of the Spanish ceramic cluster. As part of the project execution, the global environmental benefits of these new applications will be evaluated by applying a life cycle assessment approach, which allows quantifying environmental impacts of all relevant stages of the ceramic process. The project results will be easily replicable in other European countries with similar environmental problems. Life Foundrytile is coordinated by Fundación CTM, together with the companies AFV, AICE, ITC, Aster and Euroatomizado. The project is co-funded by the European Union through LIFE.